forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. Kungase kushiye injini yomlingiso odlala phambili kwimbewu the seed uThoni Khoronge okusevele ukuthi kunombango phakathi kwakhe nabaphathi balomdlalo. uThoni odlala indawo kaZimele kulomdlalo kuthi uzophuma ngokufa benokobeshin night odlala indawo kaPranav Rampasard. Bobabili bayizinjini zalomdlalo njengoba bedlala izindawo eziqabile zokuphatha imaluju okuyinsika yawo lomdlalo. Ngokuthola kweselozwe langesonto kuthiwa labalingisi bazokhishwa ngokufa bekungalindele umuntu. So they basically they're gonna fire. It might happen that Tony and Mr. Kobeshin Naidu leave the Imbewu after bengazwananga nabaphathi bayo Imbewu. Yeah, so they might leave Imbewu and they're gonna live by ukufa, like both of them, they're gonna die on the Imbewu, but it's not confirmed how they're gonna die. But yes, they are actually living Imbewu the seed. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am out. Till next time.